channel. Super. Hindi. Paano guys? Live talk school. Team Abu Dhabi hosting today. It's a open house.
Welcome to our audience.
Mga bagong guests. Dami.
So, both of you are new owners of Personal Center. Okay. So, yan. So, ibig sabihin po, we are currently, what we normally do tonight, what are you going to expect? Para sarap na lang yan. Okay. So, what are you going to expect here? Okay. Sila naman, si Team Macni, Team Macni, okay? They are already started on their 6 shows 15 days. Am I not mistaken? Tama, no? Okay. They are also on, konti lang naman yung days difference nyo eh. It means that they are ongoing training as well. So, kaya na rin nila na somehow do some partial presentation as well. So, gusto nyo bang makita? Sorry. Ambush, no? Okay. Anyway. So, my name is Sandy. We are from EPL. So kung sino yung bit-bit nyo,
Team EPL.
Team leader. So, each week, each Monday, we are actually organizing this event we call the open house. So, there are 2 types of event every Monday, but it's not gonna be mostly, di ba, 4 naman yung weeks natin, no? So, 3 Mondays, that will be open house, and then the last one that will be, no, opportunity night, the last one will be the open house. So what's the difference? Opportunity night is mostly, you know, we're showcasing, one is the live cooking. So this will be a very short, you know, live cooking. So that's give you a little bit of guide, especially for the new owners. Ayan, di ba? Sabi ko siya. So, ipi-play ko muna to ha. Okay, this is, what's the difference with the different type of cookware? Makikita nyo kasi, ano lang talaga siya, as in open lang siya, no? So, ano ba yung magandang iluto dito? Kung titingnan nyo talaga sa shape niya, ideally, ito yung mga ginagamit pang paella. Have you noticed that? Yung lapan. So, just imagine what you can do here. You can do your pancake. You can have your steak. Kasi sa lapan niya. You can have your bacon, anything as in grill. So, yun po yung purpose niya. Okay, now, salang muna natin to. I don't advise. Okay, now, biggest mistake, and also notice this common sa customer, even the old customers as well, or maybe yung makaramihan natin dito, nasanay tayo pag binit-bit mo yung salaman sa cookware, you hold like this. Now, remember, this is not handle. Okay, this is bracket. Bracket mo to. It means, pag hinawakan mo to, papapasok ka talaga. We designed our detachable handle as ergonomically designed shape. It doesn't actually transfer the heat to it, so you need to iinit. So, for safety, always use your handle. Okay? So, any questions? Paano ito magiging? Okay. Now, dito na tayo. So, why do we need to preheat? So, remember, in our regular cookware,
Napalik guys dito. Alalin, galing Pilipinas. Travel. Tagalawala ba? Yung help yan. Ito, suot niya yung Dubai Travel Club. May 23. Style yun. Purple at issue. Tagal lang.
Baby oil. No, wait. Why don't you just let them just wander around first. Yeah?
now, before that, take a picture of our ingredients on. Kung hindi pa nakakita na paano mag-seedling, these are the ingredients. Picturean nyo muna. So, tingnan natin yung difference. Saan yung tinidor ko kanina?
Magic ang oil, no? Saan galing yan?
Now, check natin ha, anong difference ito kung sunog ba siya katulad nito or hindi.
Okay.
Kasi, if you look at the, ano, medyo mainit yung part. Tingnan mo yung apoy niya.
Yun, no?
Inaalasasin natin. Kasi we want to maintain the ano.
Pwede nyo yung gawin sa electric skillet nyo ha, mas convenient.
Yes. On the other side, i-make sure natin, inaano natin siya para ma-achieve natin yung sa prito.
Pwede maging grill din.
So that's the difference. So ang option,
Lalagyan na natin instant soy sauce, seafood flavor. If you don't have this, you can swap this with a mixture of soy sauce and oyster sauce. Okay? So simple, this is your flavoring kasi walang salt ito. But of course, you have option to put salt, right? Ito na lang yung pang-paano natin. Pang-replacement kasi medyo salty na ito, diba? So put this, put that. Yung greens, yung optional yun ha. Bahala kayo kung anong gusto yung greens na ilagay. Okay? So very simple, very easy, very quick. You can do this in your any other salad butter cookware.
Oo nga.
So let's just open
Sarap
that.
yung lagyan ng matis.
And then no kuryente, so you save energy. Just put this to add flavor. So meaning to say the ginger will
Here's the slab.
definitely enhance the aromatic flavor of that, and then
Tuyo.
greens. So you have that. This is optional yung inyong. You can even cut the ginger using cone number 1. Squeeze the juice of the ginger and to add more flavor.
mas aromatic siya.
Okay. And then your coriander.
So, bakit last yung dahon? Mabilis lang naman maluto yan. Kasi they're more on garnishing nila.
That's a garnishing effect.
Okay. So, ano ba ang alternative ng seafood soy sauce?
Oyster and
Oyster and
toyo.
Na toyo.
Thai soy sauce, pwede na yun.
Okay.
Oo nga.
Yes lang yung alat sauce. Now, dito na tayo. Okay. So, malamig, tag-init na.
Oo nga eh.
So, tag-init na siya. So, we're gonna have the... So, ito, ginamit natin na kaysa maglagay ka pa ng ice, tapos lalagay ka pa ng milk, ito na lang, 2-in-1 na. Okay?
Yung milk yun. Fresh milk.
Tapusin mo lang yung isang box mismo. Okay.
Di mo.
So,
I-ice lang yun.
Ano yung angel?
Freezer.
Para mas safe, nakasandal siya dyan, and then push mo na lang to. Ito na yung tinatawag. Hindi na lagay na maayos kung sino naglagay dito. Hindi siya lalak. So, lesson learned. Okay? Safety first. Nandito yung safety officer natin pala. So, that's the encourage. Okay? So, lagay mo na nakasandal, and then i-push mo na lang to. Yan. So, pag i-push mo lang lightly, ganyan, lightly lang. So, yan na yung tinatawag natin na push mo na lang yan, te. Push mo, te.
Push mo. Kaya mo yan, te.
Push mo pa!
Tell me. You tell me.
Pakita niyo yung pino. So, other side naman.
You tell me. Bakit nga ba? Grabe talaga, pwede ng paano.
Ang bango ng meow.
So, kabila na naman. So, mapapansin nyo, kung ikaw talaga tagahiwa, dito lang ang lumalaki talaga yung lasa. Second, di ba second? I know, right? I know, right?
Kaya pa hindi pantay.
Okay na siguro to? Okay na to? Okay, now, ano na natin? Ito, i-achieve na natin yung pagka-crispy niya. Actually, ang isda naman, mabilis naman talaga maluto. Okay. Pero ito kagandahan. Dalawa kasi ang luto mo yun, ihaw at saka prito. Talagang ganito kaganda sa salad master. Saan ka makakita ng luto na ihaw na prito pa?
The other side, ano gusto mo? Grill, the other side.
Kain siya, kain siya. Halo. Sarap daw, sarap. O, timasan, sarap daw. Taste good daw.
Sarap.
100% guys. Ito naman siya.
Okay na to?
Mama ni Kay yun.
Para po yun na lang yan, ah.
Ikaw, gusto mo? Asan na ba? Ito, gusto mo to?
Kung sino makauna dito? Yun
Wait,
na.
give yung ka mag-bigay.
Uy, give me.
Yung halo-halo.
Lagyan mo na siya.
Ay po. Sila na una sila eh.
Ayun, salamat.
Ayun na si Ana. Alala si Ana. Wala, nag-ilog na, nag-ilog. Ay, maganda isa, malaki. Gatag na. Kain siya.
We will go for the limited edition first.
Okay.
You're one.
Ito.
Go to limited
This is the
edition.
limited edition.
Yes.
Single babae ito.
Galing ah.
Ito, naganap ng laki.
This is what saging ko niya, no?
So yun.
Ito si baby girl. Nag-cellphone, nanood na YouTube.
Please, jalo-jalo. Oo, Francis. Sige, sige. Jalo-jalo.
Seryoso eh, seryoso.
Okay, saging.
Ubi na lang daw.
Hobi at saging na lang.
Saging na lang daw. Ito.
Wala nang ano eh.
Oo. Malapit na upusin to.
Kuya, ba't mo ako inaano? Sinusunod na ako.
Kain sila. Luto na sila. Master. Oh yeah, sarapan. Ito yun guys, vlog ko dati. Ito, sabaw na ay gatas. Tagal na yun. Ito yun. Kasi guys, malapit na 1,000 subscribers.
Hindi pwede ito eh. Hindi pwede sa'yo.
Wala kayo. Wala yung vlog.
Dalawahan eh. Dalawa sa pangako.
Ano yun guys? Yung babae na isang bata, ayan ang buwi. Hindi ko huto. Mamay na yung flight nila guys. Santi Meribel, Sherlock, si Iboy. Mamaya, punta sa South Africa. Hindi kayo makasama kayo. Late yung kanila. Hindi, yung makita yung passport. May Qatar, UK, Saudi Arabia. Destinero sa si Sarja, national sa Finlandia yung anak si Julie. Religion niya eh. Diba? Nagkasa mo wala dito.
Check natin yung one side ha.
More shield.
Check na natin.
Mga bata.
So,
Bago.
this kind,
Tuwa si Kian.
nagiging ano siya, grill type siya.
Ito pala guys dito. Alalin, galing Pilipinas. Travel. Tagal na wala pa. Yung help yan.
Baby oil. No, wait, why don't you just let them just wander around first? Yeah?